Hi class, let me give you a little overview of how to do this discussion board. Please do read the instructions really carefully because they tell you exactly what I'm expecting from you. But basically, you're going to have a PDF of problems. There's going to be a part A, you'll see 23 problems there, and a part B with 23 problems. And you're going to choose one problem from part A and one problem from part B, and you're going to demonstrate the solution to your classmates. That's going to be your initial response to this post. So let me show you where to find, first of all, the PDF. So the PDF is going to be right here under a link, so click on that guy. And so here, as you can see, you've got to pick one problem from part A and one from part B. Part A has a bunch of different problems on order of operations and finding greater common factors and least common multiples. Make sure that when you pick your problem that you pick one that hasn't yet been posted. Then scroll down and you'll see part B, and these are going to be application problems. So you get to pick one application problem and one order of operations or greater common factor least common multiple problem from part A. Okay, so wanted to show you how to use the math editors for your problem. I do want you to copy the problem down as part of your response. So let me show you how to do that, how to use that. Alright, so we're going to come up here, click on your discussion, and as you know, we're going to add a new thread. That's going to open this editor, and you're going to put as your subject the problem number that you are picking. So problem, let's say I'm doing problem 5 from part A, and I picked problem 17 from part B. From problem 5, part A, first we want you to type the problem, and then you're going to type the solution, the steps, showing us all every step that you used in order to solve the problem. And also it will be appropriate for you to do some discussion, so there should be some typing involved. So please don't just write step, 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 step. Some English, some actual English sentences should be included here, okay? So I'm just going to pick a problem as an example. I'm not picking a problem 5, but I'm picking another problem that I have here next to me. And this one's an order of operations problem, and it has brackets and divisions, and it's got exponents. So the problem 5, let's suppose that the problem is this: 30 divided by. Okay, so now here in your editor, you have a math symbols palette, so you can click that. I need the division symbol, so 30 divided, no, I know it looks weird, doesn't it? When I click away from it, looks, do you see how it changed it to a division symbol? 30 divided by, and then I need brackets, which is on my keyboard, bracket, 5 times, so I need the times symbol, so I'm coming over here again, that's a little dot. And then I need a parentheses, it's telling me negative 18 divided by, so back to my symbols, divided, division symbol, division symbol. And then I need parentheses negative 3, and then it wants it squared. So up here, by the way, I have a little superscript symbol there, so I'm going to use that. Click that, and that's a 2, and this is a little toggle, so click it back. And now I'm going to finish my parentheses and also my bracket. Alright, so there you go. I'm like, cool. And then I'm going to say, here's an example. I would say, according to the order of operations, I need to simplify inside the innermost parentheses first. see. So I'm hoping that that will give you an idea of what I'm expecting, which is the -18. Matter of fact, let's see if we can copy and paste it. So I'm trying to this innermost parentheses needs to be simplified first. So I'm going to just see if I can just copy that. Copy. Click down here and paste. Boom. That's what I need. Okay. So, and see how my superscript's up there again? So again, remember you can toggle it back down. Okay. To get it out there. It's not going. Okay. So I'm going to click down here and toggle it. Okay, and so as you know, we're going to do exponents first. So -3. Oh, see, I must evaluate the exponent first. So -3 squared is -3 times -3 equals 9. Okay. Now my problem looks like this is now a -2, isn't it? You've just replaced that, okay? And see, continue from there. So I hope that that helps you with doing this discussion. I'm really looking forward to reading your solutions and having each of you help each other and ask questions and kind of be the teacher. So important to do this, because if you can explain your thought process to someone else, then you really know it. And a lot of these problems, you're going to see the similar problems in our upcoming midterm. Okay. By the way, I want to show you one more thing. So you would keep doing this problem. Let's suppose that we finished it. I want to show you a little trick in case you have this tool for the word problems from part B. So let's say I'm going to pick word problems 17 from part B as my second solution. Then I don't know if you guys have this little tool. It's a snipping tool, and it looks like this. So maybe do in your apps or in your, I'm on the Windows side, but in your apps, do a search for Snipping Tool, and it looks like this. And I love using this thing. If you've never used it, oh my goodness. So here's what you do. You open a PDF file like we just did, and then scroll to the problem that you want to do, which in this case is 17. So suppose I'm going to do 17 here, like you can see. Okay, I'm going to move that over there. Okay, here we go. Then I would click on the snipping tool, and it's going to allow me to click and drag like this the problem. Okay, and that problem then I can do a save as. Save that because it's now an image. Okay, so let's see here, anywhere. Let's go to, so this is going to be problem 17. Okay, and it's saving that as an image, and then I can come back to my post and use the image tool right here, insert image, and then I can click on source and browse, and then I have to find wherever, that's where you want to know where you put that. So I'm going to select problem 17 from where I stored it and upload it, and you're probably going to have to make it smaller than this, so just try something, I don't know. And alright, and so look at how it has posted the problem there for you, so then you don't have to type it. Okay. You can type it if you, of course you can type it, right? But I hope that helps, and I look forward to reading your solutions. Bye.